As we enter this year's Porsche Classic Restoration Challenge, we sought to create something distinct from our previous projects. In past years, we worked with a 1981 Targa and performed a nut and bolt restoration on a 1994 Turbo 3.6. But this year we set our sights on something more transformative, leading to our submission in the individualization category. This year we were given a 1983 911 SC, a car that had been truly driven and enjoyed. With over 175,000 miles, it bore all the marks of a life well lived. The paint was worn, repairs had failed, and the interior told stories of years on the road. We received it as a rolling chassis, a project left unfinished by a previous attempt at restoration. This was our chance to turn it into something extraordinary. We began with a complete teardown, quickly realizing that the car needed more care than we initially thought. Our Porsche certified classic technicians, Sam, Ed, and Sean, assessed every detail with a vision to transform this vehicle into a unique and exciting rally-style car. Though the body was mostly rust-free, we took the opportunity to clean the interior and soft surfaces using dry ice. This led us to a new process with our Porsche Certified Collision Center, where we used soda blasting to remove all paint and undercoating, preserving the metal while thoroughly cleaning the surfaces. With the car stripped down to bare metal, we added factory 11 flares from the 930 model, setting the stage for a striking rebuild. Now it was time for our classic technicians to work their magic. New glass was installed, and the custom powder-coated wheels gave the car its distinct look. Inside, we omitted the rear seats to make room for a body-colored roll cage, working with a local shop to custom-make carpeting and door panels. The interior transformation was smoother than last year's, but no less impressive. We also upgraded the suspension, increasing the size of the torsion and sway bars, replacing the struts, and adding new bushings throughout. These changes not only gave the car a sporty feel, but also helped achieve the desired outlaw look by adjusting the ride height. Every detail, inside and out, reflects the meticulous care and attention you've come to expect from our classic team at Napleton Westmont Porsche. While the car is on display, you'll notice the many unique touches that make this a fun, reliable, one-of-a-kind Porsche. We extend our heartfelt thanks to our partners who were instrumental in this project: O'Hare Auto Body, Bill Nuccio Jr., Chuck Moreland and team, Chuck Palela, Mike Lure, Patrick Osenkop, Kevin Riggs and team, the Porsche Classic team, and everyone at Napleton Westmont Porsche who supported us throughout this endeavor. Together, we've created something truly special.